Hello and welcome to today's market update, brought to you by your host and powered by CBN Financial. Let's dive into the latest happenings on Wall Street as of June 9th, 2025. As the market opened today, investors were met with a cautiously optimistic tone. The S&P 500 briefly touched the 6,000 mark, signaling renewed investor confidence. The Nasdaq Composite and Dow Jones Industrial Average also saw modest gains, reflecting a broader market rally. One of the day's focal points is the ongoing trade discussions between the US and China. In London, officials from both nations are meeting to address issues related to tariffs and export controls, particularly concerning rare earth minerals and technology restrictions. Investors are closely monitoring these talks, as any developments could significantly impact market sentiment. In the tech sector, Apple is set to unveil new features during its Worldwide Developers Conference. There's also speculation about a potential partnership with Google, which has led to a slight uptick in Apple's stock price during pre-market trading. Conversely, Tesla's stock is down nearly 2% following a public fallout between CEO Elon Musk and President Donald Trump. This comes amid expectations for the imminent launch of Tesla's robotaxi service, adding to the volatility surrounding the company's shares. Warner Bros. Discovery announced plans to split into two separate companies, one focusing on streaming and studios, and the other on global networks like CNN and TNT Sports. This decision follows shareholder criticism of executive compensation and has resulted in a 7% decline in the company's stock year to date. Turning to commodities, gold futures opened slightly higher today, $3,333.4 per ounce, up 0.3% from Friday's close. This modest gain comes ahead of anticipated US-China trade talks, as investors seek safe haven assets amid global economic uncertainties. As of the latest data, the S&P 500 is trading at $600.6, up 0.24% from the previous close. The Nasdaq is at $531.57, gaining 0.31%. The DOW is at $429.21, rising 0.19%. These movements reflect a cautious optimism as investors await further developments in trade negotiations and economic data. That's all for today's market update. Remember, this information is brought to you by your host and powered by CBN Financial. Stay informed and make wise investment choices. Until next time.